authorities are involved in an investigation in Hillsboro, New Jersey, as to a possible drone landing that happened yesterday. The search is ongoing right now in an area between, or just off of Route 206 in Hillsboro, near Falcon Road, and we can see a staging area by Somerset County hazardous material units, some other county officials, as well as Hillsboro agencies as well. We also understand the FBI is aware of the incident. Again, this is a search ongoing. It is primarily happening in a wooded area just adjacent to a shopping center, again in the area of Route 206 in Falcon Road. At this point, officials are not able to make any other statements as to the status of this investigation and what details that are known at this time and what they're able to share. But there we can see some of the firefighters that have been walking around in an area, again, just off of Route 206 near Falcon Road. We have seen them doing basically a wide area search on foot, as well as several all-terrain vehicles.
Okay, guys, so we have a big breaking news coming out. Once again, there's been some information. Let me just pull up this breaking news. Last night, there was a drone crash in Hillsboro, New Jersey as well. This one was right next to power lines. And we talked about the power grids and how these drones are operating and like grid area, the water reservoir. Also, the President-elect Donald, the golf course in Bedminster, and military bases. So this one here crashed, and it crashed not again near the power lines. So something is definitely going on here, guys. Let me just pull up this quick info. Please share the video. Just in, a massive search effort is underway in Hillsboro, New Jersey, after a possible drone landing, per CBS New York. Now, multiple agencies, including HAZMAT, HAZMAT teams are on scene, and the FBI has now gotten involved. Now, you have the crews are doing a wide area search on foot and four-wheelers, but are releasing no statements to the public. All right, we have a lot more information, but before I start, for those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife, Jessica Santiago, at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida, 34691. And for those of you that want to contribute to the channel, we do have the PayPal link in the description box. So drone crashes into New Jersey homeowners' backyard as panic over mystery sightings grip state. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let me just pull up this information really quick. Hold on. We have more breaking news updates. I just pulled this one up. Update. Fox News. Fox 5 said resident report drone crash in Hillsboro, New Jersey. Authorities converged on Hillsboro, New Jersey in an incident that could be related to a drone. Now, several people that talked to Fox 5 New York Stephanie said they heard a drone crash overnight in the area. Fox 5 New York is working to get that report confirmation officials. All right. A drone fell out of the sky and crashed into a New Jersey homeowner's backyard Thursday night, authorities confirmed, as the unexplained phenomenon continued to rattle residents in the Garden State. So there is no excuse for these agencies to say we don't know where they come from. Now they have a drone. They have it. They could do their research and see whatever serial number. I don't know, but now they could give some update. And I guarantee you, we still have no idea where they come from. The aircraft smashed down in a residential area of the Pequannock Township in Morris County around 8:45 p.m. Thursday, according to police and dispatch audio. Officials determined the craft was a hobby or toy type of drone and not a large commercial or military-grade drone. So officials determined that the craft was a hobby or a toy type drone. It's not one of those big ones. But according to resident, this thing sounded really, really loud. This thing was loud and it crashed. There is no toy type drone that is that loud and crashes down. You have multiple people hearing this thing. And trust me, guys, when it comes to drone, I know a lot about drones, and back in 2018, I used to do my vlog using drones and stuff like that, and I know a lot about drones when it comes to all again, those type of drones there, but they don't make that loud sound when it comes crashing down. All right, so once again, they are saying that it's a hobby or a toy type of drone, and not a large commercial or military grade one. It comes on the heels of New Jersey cops warning of possible copycat. There you go. It could be. All right. So give me a second here, guys. I have to pause the video. It says here what we think it is started as some sort of the military-based surveillance drill or operation, but once it exploded online, this became a copycat situation. One Garden State Police chief theorized. There's a possibility it might be true. Maybe someone sent a drone to check out those big ones, and perhaps that drone got way too close, that maybe an EMP took it out or something. Maybe the big mother drones took that thing out and it just crashed. The U.S. Army Armament Research, Development, and Engineering Center is located at the Picatinny Arsenal and is one of the sites where several mystery drone sightings have been reported, which has prompted concern. As a highly secure facility that develops and tests new bombs, guns, ammunition, and warfare devices for all branches of the military, it is a target for espionage by foreign advisories. Now, when the Post arrived at the crash site Thursday night, the resident was putting his trash cans out and declined to comment. However, a paranoia gripped the state. The report of one crashing into a homeowner's backyard had the mayor rushing to the scene. The mayor of this region, Mr. Ryan, pulled up in a Ford work van to survey the crash scene for himself. Man, that mayor's like, hey, I want to be the first one. Come to find out, it's a made in Walmart, Walmart drone, not made in Walmart, but yeah. Once again, guys, it seems like this is not the big one. So, as a highly secure facility that develops and tests new bombs, oh, we already read that part. They just added that twice. All right, so once again, heard, told, the Post, it is definitely not one of the massive car-sized drones that purportedly have been hovering overhead. All right, so it's not one of those, the big ones. He said is absolutely concerned that nobody knows whose drones are flying over us and what they are flying over us for and where they are taking off and landing. Follow them. Just follow them. I mean, again, we have the military. You don't have to take them down. You don't have to take these drones down. All you got to do is follow them. Follow them, and when they land, get them. That's it. It's not that hard. Even my dog could do that. I mean, just follow the drones. Follow them. They land, you land, and the story, that's it. For some reason, we have become the worst country in the world. Man, this is sad. This is so sad. All right, so it says here, drones are flying over our houses, which is our private property. My family is here, he added. The Morris County Prosecutor Office is investigating the incident. Meanwhile, there was a second report of a downed drone that hit a power line in nearby Randolph Township less than an hour ago, and that's the one we're going to talk about. The report turned out to be unfounded, the Morris County Sheriff Office confirmed. In a follow-up phone call Friday morning, Hurd urged residents not to chase after, shoot at, or attempt to catch any of the large ones. We can't be putting up Class 1 and Class 2 drones trying to follow these drones. God forbid something happens and it crashes into the big drone. And the big drone crashes into a house and take out innocent. That's going to be a problem. So we're just going to let them just invade our airspace. So local officials have told the Post that many sightings farther afield could be either civilian copycats flying their own drones or people mistaking planes, helicopters, or satellite for UFOs. After receiving reports of drone activity last month near Morris County, New Jersey, the Federal Aviation Administration issued temporary bans on drone flights over a golf course in Bedminster, New Jersey, owned by Donald, and over this military base. Now, the FAA says the bans were in response to requests from federal security partners. The White House National Security spokesman John told reporters Thursday that federal investigators have been unable to verify any of the 3,000 plus reports of car-sized drones patrolling the nighttime skies. In recent weeks, Pentagon officials have said they do not believe the drones are a foreign asset. Now, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy said earlier this week the aircraft are very sophisticated, noting that the minute you get your eyes on them, they go dark. But promised residents that the devices are not a threat to the public safety. This dude, oh my. We don't know nothing about them, but you're safe. We don't know nothing about them, but you're safe. Yeah, gambling lives. That's what it is. Murphy said New Jerseyans should not shoot them out of the sky, but welcome federal authorities to take them down to study. Well, they're doing a great job. Why do we have military? Again, I know the military are being told not to do nothing, but this is the reason why we have military. Anything that comes to our region airspace, again, it's just like, sometimes the Russians and Chinese bombers get too close to Alaska airspace, and what do? We escort them. We tell them, hey, get out of here. You're getting too close to our airspace. You can send the F-16, you can send something. We have drones too. Go up there and escort them or do something. But, yeah, we just won't, again, we won't do it. We won't do it. Give me a second here, guys. Now this is what's going on. This is the breaking news. So last night there was a crash, and today there was another crash. Mystery drone crash sends FBI scrambling in New Jersey, but finds nothing. They found nothing. Multiple agencies swarmed a Hillsboro field after reports of a drone hitting power lines near a Lowe's parking lot. Now, despite the FBI involvement in a massive search operation, officials found zero evidence of any crash. Yep. I knew that they were going to say something like, we didn't find nothing, we don't know nothing, and blah, blah, blah. All right, so Hillsboro police cleared the scene with the most classic line, no known threat to the public. Classic line. All right. I think it's time to call Will Smith. You know, the movie Independence Day? I think it's time to call Will Smith. You have the firefighters. You got everybody out there. Hold on. Whoa. Hold on. Wait a minute. This is...
A major response from authorities that could be related to an incident involving a drone. It is happening in Hillsboro, New Jersey. Fox 5's Stephanie Bertini is live from that scene. Stephanie, obviously so much frustration at what is even happening in the skies above us, so this might be a big answer.
Yeah, Bianca, I talked to several people who tell us they heard a drone crash somewhere behind where I'm standing. We're working to get that information confirmed with officials. Our chopper has been flying over the area this morning. Here's some video. We're showing you that view from above. We're in a shopping plaza in Hillsboro, just off Route 206. First responders have been here all morning, including Hillsboro police, a lot of onlookers. I talked to one woman who says her concerns are growing, calling all the recent drone activity very bizarre. She says she heard the drone crash happened overnight here, but she says that she's seen several, what she believes are drones anyway, flying around her home. She says she lives not too far from where we're live right now. Now, we've reported on these drone concerns in New Jersey. Some experts have said the sightings could very well be lawfully manned aircrafts today. We're hearing from officials on Staten Island about the same topic. Take a listen.
You know, there's a saying that we had after 9/11, if you see something, say something. I think that's become, if you see something, don't worry about it, because we saw it too. And the people of Staten Island deserve answers. The people of this city and state and region deserve answers of what the heck is going on.
So we've heard from the FBI, and the FBI says there's no reason to believe that these recent possible drone sightings pose a national security threat. Now, in terms of what we're getting from local officials, we're being told we're going to get an update this afternoon at some point, Bianca, in terms of what they've been looking at here. Back to you inside.
Yeah, it's so interesting because they say it poses no threat, but they can't tell you what it is. So many questions surrounding this, Stephanie.
Questions.
Yeah, we'll stay on top.
Yeah.
I truly hate when they say that. We don't know what it is, but it poses no threat. You don't know what it is, so stop saying that everything is fine. You don't know what it is. This could be Chinese, Russian, and you're just telling the public they are no threat when you yourself don't know what it is. Alright, so this is where we at right now. This is going to be an update later on today. So guys, this is going to be the end of this story. Please share the video. I'm going to be posting more videos over my other channels. And again, thank you so much for your support. Again, all the information will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, for those of you that want to give a life to Christ, you can email me. My email is in the description box. Me and my wife are here to help many and to lead many to the righteous path, and that's the path of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. For those of you that want to send us letters or prayer requests, you can send it to me, US Santiago, or my wife Jessica Santiago at 3432 US Highway 19, number 2, Holiday, Florida 34691. Once again, guys, $1 a month Patreon. We get you access to our live stream every Monday. We talk about things that we cannot talk about in the platform. Also, I posted videos today. Those links will be in the comments box. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Faith and trust in Jesus Christ, for he's the only way, the truth, and the life. No one gets to the Father except through Jesus. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time later. Peace.